Hi, my name is Gabriela from Tulip Art Designs, and you are absolutely welcome or welcome back on my creative channel here. And today is day 7 from our ink and watercolor advent calendar, and I am so excited about this one as about all the other ones. Everything about the supplies and what's the most important for you to complete this advent calendar was already shared by me in the preparation videos that I will link below. Okay, let's just start right away. Please consider subscribing for my channel so you will not miss any of the videos. Let's dive in. Okay, I think it's time to see what we have for day 7. The Christmas present. So this gift I definitely enjoyed making and painting, sketching, drawing. So I hope you will like it too. Let's dive in. So I'm using my sketchbook. Here are our day 1 and 2, 3 and 4. And if you missed any of these and you're just starting up, you can definitely find all of these on my YouTube channel. So I have my clip. I will just do this, and I will also do this, so it will stay a bit, flat. Okay, I want to have the gift somewhere in the middle of my half page. I will have it like this, just a rectangular. Then I will add my bow just like this. Then I will try to make a nice decoration of my gift. Like this. So one can be longer and the other one shorter. I will try to make them the same. I have, let's say, some green, nice decoration. Just I will add it with the watercolor, and then here maybe just like this. I will add a few berries, just only with the I cannot talk today. I will add some berries only with watercolor after I start adding colors. Okay, I think I will stop with my sketch. I want to ink, so I will start with my bow here, and then we'll sketch. And in every of my videos I say that if you have your own style of drawing, you can definitely do it in your own style, or you can follow along. I am really going back and forth with my pen to create this sketchy style. But if you like more smooth lines, you can definitely draw the smooth lines. And now if you are not into the pencil sketch, you will find the outlines of this, and you can directly transfer and trace, so you will not lose any time. Okay, I am quickly sketching these evergreen branches. Also here, one is coming this way. Okay, and then let's just add the rest of our gift. So I am only painting behind my bow and behind the greenery, just like this. Okay. All right. I will erase the pencil lines and then add some watercolors. Of course, if you are more into the black and white sketches, you can definitely leave it like this. I am always encouraging people to do what they really like, although I am, you know, making these step-by-step tutorials. I am always encouraging to do what feels, you know, good for you. And if you feel like you are ready with your illustration now, then you can definitely stop here. Okay, let me check that you see everything. That's the illustration. Okay, now for the bow, of course, I want to use some red. So this is what I will start with. I just reactivate my red color. I will drop in some water, although my brush is a little bit dirty from the red, that's okay. I definitely make sure that you see where I'm putting water. If you see that it's getting dry, you can definitely add a bit more water. Because I am using wet in wet technique, which means that you need quite a wet base, so the paint will move around. And I really enjoy the whole process. I really like how this paint moves around, how it creates nice tones from dark to light without me even trying to blend or, you know, thinking about it. I am really enjoying the process, so every time when I start doing this, I probably stop talking or start talking very slowly. All right, if you want to bring a bit more darkness somewhere, you just pick more pigmented color and tap it on the edges. Then the paint will just bleed around and do its job. I want a little bit darker here, so I'm just tapping a little bit more with extra paint. I will add color here. I will grab water to use that same technique, just like this. For the present itself, I want to keep it almost white, but because we cannot really paint white on white paper, I will use a little bit of Payne's gray, but very transparent. So first I will let this dry and then add a little bit of Payne's gray on the edges to just create a little bit of shadow. Okay, so I will add water And I want to tell you that if you are not feeling very comfortable with painting these small sketches with brush number 10, use smaller brush. Just try and see what works for you, okay? I don't really want you to stick exactly to the instructions I'm giving, so try to get creative. Use the brush you like, use the pen you have. You can get the similar result with any supplies you have, and in the end it's not only about the result, it's really about the process of having some fun, painting some nice festive objects. So yeah, I will take very transparent Payne's gray and tap it on the edges like this. It will bleed around. Maybe I want to add a little bit here in the center and just behind the bow, so it's like there is a small shadow, and also here on these edges and around the greeneries. And it's very small amount, just like this. Okay, we need this to dry so we can add the greenery on the decoration. Okay, I will grab some green. I really like my golden green. If you don't have golden green, I use olive green, any green that you have and that you like. I can mix it with some Hooker's green. Okay, and I don't want to have too much water on my brush, so I will tap on my paper towel and just paint a few of these greeneries. I am trying to follow my sketchy lines, but also trying to paint it very loose. So I am just making these small brush strokes, following the sketchy lines. Before it's completely dry, I will take some Hooker's green, so the darker of the greens I just used, and I will throw it in. And because my first layer is still wet, the dark and the light green will bleed together. Okay, if your first layer of green is already dry, then yeah, they will not bleed, but that's okay. We are just sketching, and I wanted to add a few berries, so I will just pick a very bright and not transparent, vibrant red, and I will add very small red dots, just like this. And because my green is still wet, they will probably bleed, but that's fine for me. If you don't want your colors to mix, then you have to wait for the green to dry, and then of course they will not bleed in each other. All right, that's it. I will take a little bit of red and just tap my brush like this to make a few splashes. I'm trying to keep half of the page completely clean. Doesn't work every time. Okay, I'm taking some red to write day 7. I really like to add just a little bit of white to make it more contrast, but I have to wait for this or make it completely dry. Okay, let's zoom in, and I will add white just close to my sketchy lines. I am just adding, like, you know, detailed lines to bring this bright contrast. My pen is not doing what I really want, but let's see. Like this, and a little bit here in the greenery, and I am adding it where I have the darkest parts, so I am making contrast. Maybe it's not really visible what I am adding here. Okay, I like it, and I hope that you are also liking it. I'm just adding small details on my text, something you can definitely skip, but you can also make it nice by, I don't know, if you know calligraphy or you have stamps, just add the number 7 in the way you like. Thank you very much for watching and joining this video. I hope you liked it, I hope you learned something, and I definitely hope you had some joy while sketching. If you did try it, consider subscribing for my channel and liking my videos, you know, commenting, so I can grow here and be able to make more videos for you. I will see you in day 8 of our ink and watercolor advent calendar tomorrow. Bye!